English prepositions of place. She is at school. She is at school. My phone is in my bag. My phone is in my bag. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. The boy is behind the door. The boy is behind the door. The shop is between the bank and the cafe. The shop is between the bank and the cafe. The school is next to the park. The school is next to the park. We live near the beach. We live near the beach. The lamp is above the table. The lamp is above the table. The shoes are below the bed. The shoes are below the bed. The store is across the road. The store is across the road. The class starts at 8. The class starts at 8. We meet on Monday. We meet on Monday. She was born in July. She was born in July. Wash your hands before dinner. Wash your hands before dinner. We play football after school. We play football after school. He slept during the movie. He slept during the movie. I have lived here since 2020. I have lived here since 2020. We have stayed in New York for 2 weeks. We stay in New York for 2 weeks. Wait until 5 o'clock. Wait until 5 o'clock. English prepositions of direction. She goes to the market. She goes to the market. He walked into the room. He walked into the room. She ran out of the house. She ran out of the house. He comes from Morocco. He comes from Morocco. They walked toward the station. They walked towards the station. He climbed up the hill. He climbed up the hill. The ball rolled down the street. The ball rolled down the street. We walked through the park. We walked through the park. I am with my friends. I am with my friends. The book is by the window. The book is by the window. It looks like a cat. It looks like a cat. English prepositions. Daily routines. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She gets up early every day. She gets up early every day. Please sit down on the chair. Please sit down on the chair. The students stand up when the teacher comes. The students stand up when the teacher comes. We go out on Sundays. We go out on Sundays. He comes back home at 6. He comes back home at 6. She goes in the room. She goes in the room. He puts on his jacket. He puts on his jacket. She takes off her shoes. She takes off her shoes. Pick up the pen from the floor. Pick up the pen from the floor. Put your bag down, please. Put your bag down, please. Put the toys away after playing. Put away the toys after playing. Don't throw away the paper. Don't throw away the paper. I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. English prepositions. Communication. She found out the answer. She found out the answer. Write down the new words. Write down the new words. I will call you back later. I will call you back later. We talked about the movie. We talked about the movie. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. He picked up the phone. He picked up the phone. Give back the book to your friend. Give back the book to your friends. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. English prepositions. Actions. I get on well with my classmates. I get on well with my classmates. She looks after her little brother. She looks after her little brother. He takes care of his dog. He takes care of his dog. We get along with our neighbors. We get along with our neighbors. Don't give up learning English. Don't give up learning English. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.